Introducing the Work Sharp Guided Field Sharpener, the ultimate compact travel hunting knife sharpener tool designed to keep your blades razor sharp wherever your adventures take you. Whether you're out in the field, on a camping trip, or simply need to touch up your everyday carry, this versatile sharpener is your go-to solution. Compact yet powerful, this sharpener is equipped with multiple sharpening surfaces to tackle any blade with precision. The diamond plate provides fast, aggressive sharpening for dull blades, while the fine ceramic rod hones and refines the edge to razor-sharp perfection. Additionally, the leather strop delivers a polished finish, ensuring your blades are not only sharp but also durable for long-lasting performance. Whether you're a seasoned outdoorsman or just need a reliable sharpener for everyday use, the Work Sharp Guided Field Sharpener has you covered. Click the link in the description to learn more and make your purchase today. Keep your blades sharp and ready for anything with the Work Sharp Guided Field Sharpener, the ultimate tool for knife enthusiasts on the move.